Check this out, guys. Another cool spot. It's actually still in not too bad of shape. Yeah, so pigeons did get me, guys. What? The toilet's actually intact? Oh shit. This is obviously the bathroom, huh? Walk-in shower. Those old knobs. Can't even turn them anymore. Yeah, you can. Look at this old paper, guys. You guys don't really see people putting shelf paper on their stuff anymore. You know what I mean? Well, this is a pretty big room. Well, look at this. Nobody had there, or whoever was here didn't have any spray paint. Yeah, I don't think anybody's in that trailer. Damn, look at this. It's like an old Brady Bunch style fireplace. That's crazy, guys. Look at that. And we were just in there. Hey guys, I've been working pretty closely with Bobby from SCPC Ghost, so I'm going to leave a link to his channel in the description. If you guys aren't familiar with him, he does a lot of urbex, ghost hunting. So check him out. Let him know 909 sent you guys. And yeah, it's a kitchen. Look at this small little sink. What could you do in that sink? Maybe just wash your hands? Workshop, but that's on somebody's property. So we'll go around. I don't want to cause too much attention. There's, I think there's some people out there. This is almost like different house almost. Okay, no, we were just in there. How did I miss this? What I'm assuming is another bathroom. That one's all roached out. Another shower. Seen one shower, you've seen them all. Hopefully you guys have seen the shower. I'll have to go check out what I'm assuming is a garage. Just trying to make sure nobody's living in that thing. Check that. Check this out. Looks like urban decay at its finest. Hey guys, real quick, if you guys are enjoying this video, then give me a thumbs up. If you don't think it's such a great video, then give me a thumbs down. Okay, so it turns out nobody's in this thing. Not sure what it was used for. It has a please keep out sign. Please keep out sign. the front door, but man, I'm not gonna be able to spend too long in here because it stinks. It's crazy. Look at the little alien dude. You almost feel like you're gonna fall through this. Is it the shower? I don't know what that was. It's got to be the shower, right? Yeah, had to be. Then the Chase and Skylar, huh? It's kind of sad, you guys, when you see stuff like this. Like, you can only hope like these kids are like in a better place. I mean, because if they had to leave this, I mean, where would they have gone to? Somebody coming, guys. Hurry. We can get in here before we're spotted. Which, the car at the road is kind of a dead giveaway that we're here. Coming through. Okay, cool. I thought he was coming to scope us out. But yeah, check this out. Man, this is old school. My grandmother's house had this exact same tile. Whole medicine cabinet. Should we open it? And then what I thought was a garage. Still might have been a garage. Maybe at one point. Check it out. Lots of nails. Obviously something for storage. You know what? This is definitely a workshop. Definitely a workshop. Somebody torch that. That's what I want to go check out real quick. It doesn't look like there's much in there, but you never know. Alright, we're going to do this one real quick, guys, and we're going to get out of here. There's really nothing in here to see, so. Whoa. Check that out. That's kind of creepy. What? Out of the only thing to be in here, that's the one thing that's got to be in here? I gotta get a picture of that before I get out of here. Yeah, like I thought, not much to see. bartender, Coors Light, please.